Hi guys, this is Pete. Welcome to this new video. This is a chart that I posted about 2 hours ago on my new Discord group. Like every day, I try to share my trading ideas, totally free. Um, and this in this video I want to speak about my strategy, my 81 strategy, which is one of my two main intraday strategy that I use every day. I've just posted a video on YouTube in which I fully explain, okay, so all the rules to use to filter and to use the strategy. Okay, so now I just want uh, um, to make a quick recap. Okay, try to find out which are the possibilities, okay, to enter the market on. We are on S&P, okay. We are on future right by now. So this is not a suggestion, obviously, that to go long from here, but I will do expect the price to reach this zone, okay. If we use the fixed range volume, okay, or volume profile, you can see that this is a very good zone to consider short. Obviously, we are on intraday, so if we look on a very on a daily time frame, on a 4 hour time frame, we are in a very strong bullish momentum. So it obviously it is not. My suggestion is not to go short, okay, for a long time. I think this is pretty much obvious. Even if here we are a very a good uh, bearish signal, which is this kind of engulfing, and this is the main reason by which I consider a short for today or tomorrow. So let's move on 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, okay. And so the situation right by now is this. Okay, now price will probably push. The market will push the price in this zone. We are in near close to the U.S. opening. Okay, in 1 hour. So is not good on my personal opinion to move a position right by now, because there are lots of market manipulation. But so I will wait 1 hour and a half to just to see what's happened. Okay, but there is a very good possibility. Okay, following my 81 strategy. Okay, if the price will reach this zone, obviously needs first to break this higher high, okay, of today. So what does it mean? It means that probably it's a very good zone to enter long here. Okay. So my rules, my 81 strategy. The 81 is the name of the strategy. The 81 strategy rules say that we must wait, okay, for the price to break the higher high to go long in this case, okay, and wait for the 5 minute candle to close close above the resistance level, okay, and then we can go, we can open a long trade. This obviously only if we are in a clear, on a clear primary trend side. Okay, so in this case we are bullish. What about stop loss? So more or less, I will enter here. Okay, waiting for the price, for the price to close above the resistance. And the main rule is that the 14 moving average, which is this one, 14 moving average, sorry, 14. The 14 moving average needs to be at least, needs to have at least 40 degrees inclination. Okay, so I use this tool. To be honest, I don't need to use this tool. I have, my eyes are trained enough to just to take a look, okay, immediately and understand if we are in a good in a good trend, in a good momentum, because this is this inclination of 14 moving average is only a very good momentum confirmation that I use to understand and to confirm that we are on the right side of the market for today. Okay. So for example, here, okay, I could not long here. Okay. Why? Because if this is was our resistance, price broke, but then price was rejected. Okay, the candle closed below this resistance, so is not, the trade is not valid. And as you can see, the moving average just came out from a consolidation. Okay, here is a horizontal. Okay, so it's not good. I entered here. Okay, I enter here. Sorry, I just wait for a retracement here. My stop loss was here. 1-to-1 was hit. Okay, the 1-to-1 level, I mean the risk operation. So I move my stop loss beside the entry, and I take my stop loss. But my first rule is not to lose. Okay, so this is my main rule, and I just, as price reach 1-to-1 risk ratio, I will move my stop loss to entry. Well, so this is so. What about the next trade? Will be probably will be this one. So if I enter here, my stop loss will be below the opening, the 5-minute candle opening. But first of all, if I take fixed range, and this is the range, okay, will be below the POC of this range, because I just want to set the stop loss below the concentration of volumes in that area, okay, in that zone. What does it mean? It means that we don't have enough space to reach my desired 1-to-3 reservoir ratio. Okay, but it doesn't matter. The main thing is to reach the 1-1 reservoir ratio. So here, okay, as price will reach this area, I will move the stop loss here, and then could happen what it wants. Okay, it doesn't matter. My first target, I repeat, is not to lose my money. Okay, guys. What about, so if price will reach this area, okay, I wait for the trade to be completed. I wait for a strong rejection. Okay, so we are counter trend. If you want to go short here, we are counter trend. So I need a lot of confirmation. Okay, the first confirmation is the POC. So just one for the price to reach this level. Okay, I use my scalping setup, and we have a TMI, basically a RSI divergence. Okay, so and a stochastic RSI. These are two very good indicators. I don't use indicators to enter the trade. I just use them for as confirmation. Okay, but to be honest, what I really care about are divergences. Okay, so if price, when it will, sorry, let me remove drawings. Okay, so let me remove also this one, and let me sign this level. So as price will touch this level, I just wait for a divergence of the RSI. Okay, so for example, like this one. Okay, sorry for my drawings, I'm not so good, but I just want to wait for a divergence. Okay, 5 minutes chart. Okay, like in this case, for example. Okay, so here, like this. Okay, so this will be a very, very good signal. The other signal that I wait is a new minimum. I mean, a new low. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and this is price need to close. Okay, below this zone. So price need to make another low. Okay, this is for me is very, very important. Then I wait for a retracement. I could enter here using the same rules of the ones I told you before. So 14 EMA inclination. Okay, or I wait for it to retracement, and then I enter short on the POC of this range. Okay, on the POC of this range. Stop loss will be here, just few pips, few ticks above the higher high, which is in this case is this one. Okay, so my stop loss will be here. Risk reward, yes, always 1 to 3. To be honest, we are counter trend here, so I will probably set my risk reward ratio on 2. Okay, but the main thing is that I want to see a very strong bearish impulse, a very strong bullish movement. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, guys, I suppose that's pretty much everything I just want to say. So let me know what you think about this video using the comment section below. And what else? That's pretty much it. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I have my new Discord group. Will share all my trading ideas, all for free. I just want to grow my community, so I will really, really appreciate if you help me to do that. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.